What the hell? Okay. Mr. Caravello, here's the toy microwave that I ordered. I didn't order a toy microwave. You can safely microwave this microwave inside your microwave. As it is microwave safe, please do not immediately or you may lose your Costco membership from Costco. So that is not going to happen. Why did somebody send me a toy microwave? It's ridiculous. It's redundant. It's stupid. I'm not a child. This is absolutely stupid. Goes in the crack. Goes in the trash.
What is in that? What is in that microwave? Is that a turd? What is in there?
No, it's. Christ. It's for 5-year-olds and older. Okay. I don't know what's in here. It looks like a turkey. Yeah, it's. I would consider it being a turkey.
Can I see it again? Oh, okay.
That's a turkey.
Maybe a chicken or something. Okay.
Yeah. You want it for your kid?
No.
See? Okay. God damn it. Hold on.
Here's an offer from your friend Jennifer Aniston.
What does she have to say?
Well, she's offering $100. $100 for Perry.
What?
$100 for Perry to put the toy microwave into the Black & Decker microwave. Then put the Black & Decker microwave into the Costco microwave in Perry's kitchen and set them all for 10 minutes on high.
Out of your fucking mind. Next.
That would be like Microwave-Inception.
You can't put a microwave inside a microwave inside a microwave. Out of your mind. Done. Next.
Okay. Can you stop saying next so much, Perry? It's really.
No, I'm not.
It's very dismissive. All right, let me
because it's fucking sick. It's disgusting. It's demeaning and demoralizing.
Demoralizing, yes.
Pitiful.
All the above.